What if I told you the biggest barrier to reaching other stars isn't technology, but money? We're talking about an endeavor that dwarfs any human project to date. An interstellar mission is a trillion-dollar question that requires us to invent entirely new economic models. But here in the Cognitosphere, we believe the solution is closer than you think. Discover the revolutionary economic models, global partnerships, and unexpected technological breakthroughs that could turn science fiction into a financial reality by 2075. Before we find the solution, we must define the problem. The cost is staggering. The Apollo program, adjusted for inflation, cost about $280 billion. The ISS cost over $150 billion. Interstellar R&D alone makes those look like pocket change because we are inventing every single component from scratch. But the real cost isn't the hull, it's the fuel. To reach even 10% the speed of light, you need more energy than humanity currently consumes in a year. When you calculate the price of producing that much antimatter or fusion fuel, the bill instantly jumps into the tens of trillions. To fund this, we don't just need a massive bank account. We need multiple national GDPs. What does $1 quadrillion even look like? It looks like the future of humanity. No single nation or billionaire can afford this. The funding must be as revolutionary as the rocket. Imagine the crowd-funded Starship, not a donation, but an investment. A global public-private partnership where everyday citizens can buy a share of a space bond, funding R and D in exchange for priority access to asteroid resources later. We also need interstellar sovereign wealth funds, nations pooling resources, accepting that the return on investment may not be seen for 5 generations, but the risk to humanity is too great not to collaborate. And finally, carbon credits for space. Companies funding off-world extraction and colonization to secure resources in a deal to accelerate our transition to clean energy here on Earth, solving the existential crises of both our home and our future. The price is high, but the potential Earth's return is far higher. Interstellar R&D is the ultimate engine of economic growth. Think of the Starship Silicon Valley. Every penny spent on advanced propulsion, closed-loop life support, and AI for autonomous systems inevitably spawns thousands of new industries right here on the ground. The economic payoff could be realized through resource extraction. Mining asteroids and establishing lunar bases becomes feasible only with reusable launch systems. This flow of precious metals back to Earth could fuel the cost of subsequent interstellar missions. The cost of interstellar travel is daunting, but the cost of staying put is ultimately extinction. The Cognitosphere knows that the final economic justification is survival. By embracing global collaboration, radical new financing, and the unparalleled innovation driven by the ultimate ambition, we don't just build a starship, we build a multi-planetary civilization. What do you think is the biggest technological hurdle left to solve? Let us know in the comments below.